What do we have here? We have a Sato Racing Rearset. This is what comes with a rear set. You have your stickers and all of these pieces. This is the brake cylinder. It is attached to this part of the rear set with these two bolts. Now I get these two and the exhaust hanger bolts. This is the brake switch, and that needs to come off with this spring as well. I believe that needs to come off as well, but I'll need to check the manual first. That was easy. And that's off. Get that out. Okay, the brake switch is off. And get back here so I don't lose it. I believe I'll need this spring. Now I need to disconnect this, and I can do that by loosening this nut here, then screwing it off. Okay, I need to put this in here so I can turn it. Get some leverage on it. Oh, that's okay. There we go. So I broke it now. This will come back off. Should I twist this off? Yes. So the brake side, the right side lever is off. Need one of these. Goes through here. Put a spacer behind it. Oh, come on. Spacer behind this. Then it will go through the reservoir mounting bracket hole. Then you put your nut behind it. So that is one step. And I'm dry fitting all these. Again, the collar. Okay. Then, are you serious? I forgot to put this behind it again. So that one of the first bolt and nut there. Bolt in first. And before you go through the reservoir mounting bracket, you have to shove your spacer in between. So that's the OEM nut. Also dry fitted in there. Okay, so now I have the reservoir and that. So this knuckle thing will go down here. Let me take this out first. Screw on here. I need this bracket to go in here. Put it like that. and it's gonna bolt on the back of this. All right, getting somewhere. All right, so it will be like that, and this will be the jam nut that locks it into the back side. So that way. That way. And this side. Let's see. This side gets hooked up to the sensor switch. Then just like that. So I'll have to align it, make sure it comes out straight. So I think that is good. I'm gonna jam knot this in because it ain't coming back out. I flop tightened that shut and this switch bracket. So this switch I will adjust after I mount everything. I need to mount this ear. I call it the ear. Alright, so this ear needs to come out. Where did they go? Did they go in here? Or behind? They go behind. And we are good to go. So this word, you can move it back and around. So I'm going to keep it forward here for now. Okay. So that is just hand tight. And I'll put it in here. Also hand tight. Okay, so we have the right side done.